Welcome! This video will explain how to install the Moneris Go Retail Terminal app on the Moneris Go Terminal. The app enables you to accept payments, manage orders, and boost sales anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a reliable cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Before you install the Terminal app, make sure you know your username and password for the Terminal app. In the Go Retail web app, click Users on the main menu. Click on your user accounts. Scroll down to the portal section. Make sure the portal access is enabled. This is necessary for transactions to be completed successfully, both for the portal and for the terminal. Click Terminal. This is where you set up your username and a password. The password must be at least 4 characters. Click Update. Now that you have your terminal credentials, let's install the Terminal app on the Go Terminal. Make sure you have the terminal in front of you so you can follow along. First, navigate to the terminal home screen. If you are not on the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the Android navigation bar. Tap the circle icon to go to the home screen. On the home screen, tap the App Store icon. Once you're in the App Store, tap Go Retail POS to see more information. At the bottom of the screen, tap Install. When the app is installed, the button will change to Uninstall. On the Android navigation bar, tap the circle icon to return to the home screen. On the home screen, tap the icon for Go Retail POS. At the sign-in screen, enter your username and password for the terminal application. Once you sign in, the new transaction screen appears.